How to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Weight loss can be aided by taking apple cider vinegar and adding it to your diet plan. But how do you take apple cider vinegar? To get all of the health benefits from your apple cider vinegar, make sure you're drinking it raw and unfiltered. Taking the drink before every meal is the most effective way to do it, and the more hardcore dieters might take a teaspoon neat. However, you can dilute the cider in various substances. Many dilute 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. If the flavor is too unpleasant, then it is possible to add a natural sweetener to the drink, and have it with warm water like a tea. Raw honey serves a natural sweetener, as does stevia or maple syrup. It is important to take the drink over a long period to reap the weight loss benefits of the drink. Sign up to get my free report, 5 Foods That Turn into Belly Fat. Just stop eating those 5 foods and you'll see the result in the mirror. Just visit simpledietips.com and claim your free ebook today.